password for the next level is stored in etc bandit_pass bandit14 and can only be read by user bandit14. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Note, localhost is a host name that refers to the machine you're working on. Okay, I kind of do not know anything I just read, but I did not understand anything I just read. I mean, maybe I understood what SSH key is. I guess that's what we've been doing actually. So let's just head right in and see what we have. I just need to change this to 13, get the password from our passwords database, and we're in. Okay, I cannot type the word clear. Let's see what you have. SSH key.private. So they said the password is stored in etc bandit pass bandit14 and can only be read by user bandit14. Oh wait, so do we have to use the private key then we come back? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's see what this is. Oh right, it's supposed to be card. A bit rusty. Okay, begin RSA private key and RSA private key. Okay, how are we supposed to use this? Either way, let's just navigate to the file we're supposed to, I guess. SSH, open SSH/keys. Maybe this means something. Nah, sure, we'll figure it out. Anyway, let's go here. This is supposed to be 14, and this is supposed to be a slash, I think. Permission denied. Okay, what about if we do that, and then we say sudo must be owned by UID 0 and have the set UID bit set. What are those? Okay, I guess we'll have to read what they're saying. Apparently, public and private keys are sort of used for authorization. From what I know from my forays in the world of cybersecurity, basically I think a public key is known to the public and a private key is only known to one person. So they're supposed to be used to like sort of verify each other. I think, do not take my word as fact, but yeah, that's just what I think. So I don't know how that is supposed to help us because we just have a long ass string of text in this thing. So I still don't understand how they're supposed to help. Either way, I'll check what the next level says. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,000 on localhost. Oh, not completely accurate, but good enough for beginners. Jesus Christ. I'm so not ready for that. Let's just figure this one out. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Okay, so we get a key that can be used to log on to the next level. Okay, of course, this is our private key. So I'm guessing the next level has a public key, and maybe this is just meant to help us understand what keys are. I'm not sure. Actually, I'll check login details for level 14 and see if it looks any different. So I'll just get out of this one and then SSH into bandit 14. Okay, it's still asking for a password. Interesting. Should I just paste the whole thing and see if it works? I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to grab it from level 13. But wait, I still don't think this is what you're supposed to do. They did say the password is stored in whatever this is, and can only be read by user bandit14. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Note, localhost is a host name that refers to the machine you're working on. Okay, I am officially lost. I'm officially very, very lost. They've introduced some new commands here and I don't know how I'm supposed to use them. Dude, I did not want to check someone's write-up this early, but I guess we'll have to do it, I guess we'll just have to do it. I'm sorry to the people who thought I would solve this myself. I do not have the expertise. I am not yet a connoisseur. Okay, clearly I have not read enough about what SSH does. I just need secure shell, but I'm seeing here like I can use this flag -I to use the private key. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to check the manual for SSH. I hope it's here. Yeah, it is. And I'm going to check what that -I flag does. Identity file. Select a file from which the identity private key for public key authentication is read. You can also specify a public key file to use the corresponding private key that is loaded in agent, and the private key file is not present locally. The default is blah blah blah. Identity files also. Okay, this is a lot. I only understood this part probably. Select a file from which the identity private key or public key authentication is read. So select a file. I'm guessing the file we have, the private key or public key authentication is read. Okay, that's cool. So how did this guy format the whole thing? Need this. Bandit 13, yeah, SSH of the file name, then -p the port, bandit 14 at localhost. Oh, okay. They did say localhost is a host name that refers to the machine you're working on. Okay, I'm just going to yoink this. Then I'm going to paste it here. The authenticity of this host can't be established. This key is not known by any other names. Are you sure you want to? Yes, I do. Oh, I wrote yes. Yes. Okay, and we are in Bandit 14. Oh, so now I guess you can get the password because you're Bandit 14. And they did say the password was in etc. So I will cd to root first and then go to etc. And then where did they say it was? Bandit underscore pass, Bandit 14. Bandit underscore pass. That's what you're looking for. Wait, that's too much work to look through that. I can just type ls bandit, then tab, then Bandit 14. Then ls into Bandit 14. Cannot access Bandit 14. No such file or directory. Really? What type of file is it then? Is it even a file? I don't know. I wrote file or meant file. Cannot open Bandit 14. No such file or directory. We can see it right there. It's right there. How can we not open it? It's literally there. Oh, are we supposed to cut? What? But I can literally see it. I can see it right here. Oh wait, no, I did not enter Bandit pass. Oh, I just wrote ls instead of cd. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so stupid. Bandit 14. Boom. There we go. There's the password. Into the database. Next level. Supposed to be level 14 now. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,000 on localhost. Submitting the password. So I'm guessing since we have the password, right? So we just have to submit it. Submit it to who? Or, oh wait, I'm guessing. Okay. I think I have a grasp of what you're about to do. Wait, but I just have to try. So since whenever we SSH, always specify the bandit number here, then we always specify the bandit like level here, then the port. I'm guessing we just have to put this to port 30,000 and to localhost, I think. Because to localhost. But how do we do that? What are we supposed to use as the name? This is just localhost. Wait, in the previous level, the command we used this. So this is just specify the flag. But yeah, this is the port, then the bandit name at localhost. Okay. I think we can do that. So yeah, here we just need the port and then localhost. Why is it red? Oh, Bandit 14 at localhost. They have done it inside the machine. Oh yeah, I think so. We should probably be inside the machine. Go into Bandit 14 here. I think the password is still copied. I hope so. It is good. 60% keyboards are a mess, but either way, we got it. Then here we'll just SSH port 30,000 and then Bandit 14 at localhost. Here we go. Connection closed. That is crazy. They just said connection closed. What? Why was it closed? Do we need to know how the internet works in 5 minutes? IP addresses, localhost, ports, port. That's a lot of information they want me to consume. Will it all be helpful in the grand scheme of things? Probably, but will it be helpful now? I don't think so. So shortcut is from the question, we know that there's a service that is running on port 30,000. We can try to connect to the service using netcat command. Now, how was I supposed to know that? How was I supposed to know what netcat is? What is netcat? Netcat NC is a versatile command line network utility for reading and writing data across TCP or UDP connections, serving as a network Swiss Army knife for tasks like port scanning, debugging, file transfers, testing network services. It allows users to set up simple chat servers, stream data, or even create remote shells, making it invaluable for network administrators, security testers, and developers. I have a feeling I'll be using this netcat quite a lot, but for now, let's just take it slow and understand how you're supposed to use it for here. So NC is an alias for the netcat command and can be used interchangeably. Netcat localhost 30,000. Password. Okay, when you enter a random value, you see that you get a message saying password isn't correct. Okay, let me try that for myself. Netcat. Okay, I completely forgot what I'm supposed to try. Oh, localhost 30,000. I'm guessing that's the port, but we don't need a password, right? Okay, nothing is happening. It's just blinking at me. Just blinking. Okay, it stopped. Is anything happening? I'm so confused. Oh, I was I was supposed to enter the password. Okay, we know the current level password is stored in there. So yeah, okay, let's look for it. I'm going to Control C this, and then I need to go to where that password was. Remember, I need to go to CD root first, and then it was in, I think, etc bandit pass, something like that. Yeah, bandit 14. Oh, no. Mission denied? Okay, I'll just go here then. Oh, I haven't even said anything. I need to CD there. It should be here in Bandit 14. Yes. So I'm going to copy all this. Copy that. Then go a couple commands over the netcat one. Paste the password. Boom. We are in, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, damn. That's it. The password is right there. I'm guessing this is the password for level 15. Oh, but I'm really interested in knowing how all this was set up and what it means just netcat into this. I really want to know how that happened. I really hope one day I get to know that. Into the database. Oh, sorry. What am I doing?